When it comes to engagement depth for the conversational flow agent, it can simulate multi-turn human conversations. So when I'm speaking with you, let's say we're having a conversation and I stop mid-conversation and tell you, hey, you have something on your tooth. You're gonna stop and you're gonna, check and you're gonna see, okay, is it gone? Think of the conversational flow agent as like that. Like if we're having a conversation, if we break pattern, it will be able to go ahead and continue the conversation based on what exactly you guys are talking about. Wherein with the single prompt agent, it handles basic questions based on the FAQs and service level inquiries. So when you are building a single prompt voice agent, you're uploading a knowledge base. That knowledge base usually have some information about the business. Let's use the example of a real estate agent. You have a bunch of properties. Well, you'll upload that to the knowledge base. In there, you'll also have the time. You also have, your hours of operation. You also have the address, these basic information. So if the caller asked any of these questions that are in the knowledge base, well, the single prompt voice agent can reply back to it based on that exact knowledge base and based on the exact prompt. It cannot handle multi-human turn conversations. It can just handle based on the information that is provided. Wherein with the conversational flow agent, similar to how, like I said, if we're having a conversation about the weather and I stopped you and told you you got something on your tooth, that conversation stops and then we're actually going to go ahead and you're going to respond back, what is it? Or is it already gone? The same idea applies here. This conversation can take an entire 360 turn based on what exactly we have here within these custom logics. So these are different human-like conversation turns, right? Let's see exactly what the term here is, multi-human conversation, okay? So depending on the response, it either goes this way or it goes that way. So the engagement depth is very deep when it comes to the conversational flow agent versus the single prompt agent that simply just answers based on the FAQs, based on the prompt, based on the knowledge base that you provided.